folks. One moment. Man, just hang on a sec, folks. Talk about a hibernation. My ass has been asleep for. I'm almost embarrassed to say how long I've been sleeping. Hang on. One moment. I'll be right back. morning. Good morning. Sound check, sound check. Alrighty, we're good, we're good. Well, I tell you what, doesn't seem like there's a shortage of flopping and groping going on. Y'all are flopping and groping, wishing and hoping. Smoking and doping. Coughing and choking. Deal with it. My mic's low. It's low for you. Turn your fucking speakers up or get better headphones. Sorry, your monitor speaker sucks. I'm glad my mic's low. Deal with it. Mic's low. Fucking deal with it. Get some headphones. Get yourself some real speakers. Man, I'm not gonna lie, guys. I've been sleeping for almost 2 days, about 2 days. I just haven't been able to get out of bed. And, you know, it makes sense because I've been going hard, streaming, trading, snapping pencil necks left and right. Shit takes a lot out of you. Takes a lot out of you. I'm on planet Earth. Seeing couple dick-sucking thumbnails. I must say, as usual, Crypto takes the cake. I loved his thumbnail. I loved his thumbnail. Oh my gosh, I loved his thumbnail. You see him looking all sad with his mouth open. That was so good. That was so good. That was so good. That was so good. Fuck you guys, drug addict. Okay, I tell you what. You try managing millions of dollar trades, leverage trades. You try dealing with tens of thousands of yarping, flopping and groping people blowing you up. And you tell me how you fucking sleep and how you operate. How much energy you have. Shit. Where's my mods? Ban anyone who's fucking stupid. No, I'm not in a trade. I'm not in a trade right now. No. I can't even drink a Red Bull. If I drink a Red Bull, I have a heart attack. I rarely smoke reefer. Rarely. Red pill, that's right. I've seen a lot of random numbers. People throwing out there. Some were saying 25? 25K? That's such a random, stupid fucking number. 25 is 25 might be the bottom. A lot of random. It's chaos right now. It's chaos. But we have the answer. Yeah, coffee. Coffee's what I do. That and bourbon. Now, I will say this. We're starting to see the perma bulls flip. And I always thought that the standard moving averages that apparently dictate and decide when we're in a quote-unquote bull or bear market are way too lagging. It's too late. The 21 weekly, the 34 weekly, okay. Well, if those are legit and have now confirmed that we are indeed in a bear trend, well, guess what? We're already down 50%. Everyone's already stuck. Fuck that. I'm not going to be relying on something for that much. Now, here's what I see. And I wanted to wait till we'll talk about what I see now that we've had the intro. Forgive me, I'm just waking up. Taking a look at the daily. Our long-term money trend coming down, right? To me, when I will get back in and be yippee-ki-yay, it's long time, it's time to long again, is when we have good confirmation of this money flow coming back up. Specifically, when we meet and go above this wave. So what I'm paying attention to is the amount of money coming in and or leaving, because that's all that matters. There is no magic unless the money is there. So when we look at the daily, oh, there's a tiny little increase here. A tiny little increase. But is that enough for confirmation? Absolutely not in my book. So let's enhance and go to the next time frame and see. Taking a look at the 12 hour. On Heiken and Shees we have 2 X's, but when we have standard candles, we now have 4 yellow X's. Now, for those of you who've been around, there is a 4 yellow X strategy. The 4 yellow X strategy with dumps is not a guarantee, but it is a first signal that we start to look for sell-off exhaustion. So it would go a little something like this. There's 4 yellow X's, then we'd want to start seeing money flow increase, RSIs increase, and obviously price start to increase, and maybe start looking for an entry. But we don't have, it's right now, yeah, we have 4 yellow X's, but that doesn't mean anything until we start seeing more signs. If we go to previous bear markets, you'll see there'll be 12 fucking X's all the way down. So let's go to the next. Earlier. Oh, really? We can't tell the bottom I'm a fraud? Really? I sold the top. I sold the top, motherfucker. You're a fraud. You're a fraud, bitch. I got my money. You're the one stuck holding. How much did you lose? Ooh. How do my balls taste? How do my balls taste? How do my balls taste? Now, here's some bad news. On the 6 hour. On the 6 hour, the money flow is still straight fucking down. So we need to start seeing this money flow on the 6 hour, even we'll take a look at the 4 hour next. This needs to start coming back up, and in order for it to start bleeding into the 8-hour, the 12-hour, the daily, till eventually when we have our confirmation when we want to start moving the big bucks back in. I'm saying it's bad news for bulls. Okay, people wishing and hoping that this is that trying to catch all these quote unquote bottoms. Let's go to the 4-hour and see. 4-hour. I mean, it's going sideways. No confirmation there. Now we're really starting to reach. Going to the 3-hour, still sideways. No confirmation there. The 2-hour, still sideways. No confirmation. So I ain't seeing nothing about no bottoms yet. I ain't seen nothing about no bottoms yet. I ain't seen nothing about no bottoms yet. It's Sunday. So we'll see what happens again this week. So to answer the title question again, how I am going to know that we have bottomed is when I see the money is coming back in. And as of right now, doesn't look like it is. I take my coffee black with, well, I have flavored coffee couplets. For example, I like the caramel flavor and butter toffee. And I put a little bit of French vanilla cream. No sugar. Do you believe in magic? Do you believe in magic? You know, I'm hearing all these random numbers. Some people, let's go to a different chart. There is so much bullshit going on right now. Whoa, geez. There we go. So much bullshit going on right now. People are trying to talk about 25K, this, that. I just, there's so much bullshit right now. If you want to talk about a legitimate real bottom, you want to talk about a legitimate real bottom, you don't want to hear that number. Because, you don't want to hear that number. Here's your first hope. I think 18, 19, 20. Could be even lower. Could be even lower. But there's really, like, there's no point in trying to guess. There's no point in trying to guess. Maybe I just feel that way because I got my money. I'm out. I'm not some stupid quote unquote hodler that's gonna wait another 3 years looking at 80% loss. It's so funny how hateful many are right now. How angry so many were when we were talking about how we sold chunks in April. Seller may walk away and, oh, I was so full of shit. How dare I? How dare I? Now look at you. I walked away. Yippee-yi-yo-ki-yay. I'm not trying to call bottoms. I'm not trying to call bottoms. I'm just saying, I'm showing what I'm gonna look for, what I'm looking for to know when it has bottomed. Don't be fucking, listen, I'm not the one dick-sucking thumbnail trying to shout out random numbers saying that the bottom's good at 25K. Don't take the shit that you hear from these other fuckers out on me. I'm saying this is what we look, this is how we'll know. How I will know that it's time to go up again is when the money is coming back in. I'm just following the money. Market Cipher follows the money. This 6 hour kind of sucks, I'm not gonna lie. For the bulls, it's deep though. It's deep. And so we could be, this is bottom S territory. That doesn't mean it's over though. Even though it's deep doesn't mean it's over. I'm just saying that when this 6 hour starts to actually start to curve up, then there can be some hope. But this puppy is just bang, that thing's cutting down deep, man, deep. When's the last time it was that deep? Guy barely got there in 2019. Barely touched the 19. Those were kind of bottoms. That was a bottom when it touched right there. That was the 8. That barely touched it. That was at 7,100. Bounced around. Okay, what about this? That's right there. That was at 8,000. Kind of bounced around. That was in 2019. That's deep. There you go. Touch 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So, I mean, you know, it's deep. That is deep. Right here. Look, it touched right there. That wasn't the end. That was 4,000 still. Jeez. It still went down to 3,000. But it was close. It was bottom-esque. How long did that take? That was 4 days. Total, 24 days, a month. So maybe, just maybe, in a month it can go up a little bit and then come back down and, well, how long was this? I'm just using the Bitstamp chart right now because there's not a bunch of shit drawn all over it. That was 130 days. Okay. So the good news is, maybe it'll only be 130 days until we go up again. Maybe. That sounds about right. Sounds realistic. So, what are we gonna do? We are just gonna, you know, the immediate reaction, I think, of a lot of people is to step on the sidelines, chill out for a second, which I understand. But when I see opportunities, listen, I know how to short. Our community knows how to play bull, bear, and kangaroo. Y'all, we've already done it. I've had my fucking best trade ever from shorting just a week ago. There's more money to be made now than before. It's faster. We made $2 million in 8 hours shorting. It's much faster. separates the men from the boys. We're gonna separate the men from the boys. Don't fall in love with any of these shit coins or bitcoins or any asset, because it'll break your heart. Sometimes you can't help it. Listen, I've been there. We've all had that one woman where the second we laid eyes on her, we knew that that woman would run us through the dirt, that we'd be buried in the sand up to our head, and we're going to be bit by a king cobra snake, but we still walked with her. We're only human. Yeah. I believe I have the 21 and the 34 here. Yeah. Yeah. That's what everybody uses. That's what everybody uses. So according to them, it ain't looking pretty. It ain't looking pretty. How long was this? 49 days. This one came back fast. That could happen. So, there's a small chance. There's a small chance. Damn, I should be shorting right now. I should be trading right now. But I just woke up. It's not. I don't see. I'm not really seeing anything I'd want to trade right now. Possible short, but it's not what I like to. There's not enough confirmation. Well, we are in a bull bear trend. If I was gonna open a trade, I would short. If I was gonna trade, I would short this. But I like that VWAP. Kinda want a short buck. I think I'm going to wait for the 5-minute and 8 to come up a little and then short off of the 1 and 2. I think that's what I would do. I think that's what I will do. Yeah, I'm gonna see if we can get this another little hump up again. Maybe this could be the top it's running into. If we come up somewhere close, I might open up some small little shorts. Man, it's a whiplashing, folks. This is a whiplashing market. Dangerous market. It's not the time for scrubs. This is not the time to be a noob and be a fool, because it's gonna go up and down. It's gonna be brash. But if I'm looking for a trade right now, I don't want to rash. This is why I love hiking the sheets. It goes red, green, red, green, red, green. So I think I'm gonna look for a green and then red. Other than that, how's you guys' weekend? Man, I've been sleeping for 2 days. I've been in my bed. We went fucking hard, bro. We've been going hard all month. Went on vacation, was trading. Man, I think the stock market, I think it's all the beginning of a big shit to roll downhill. I think shit is starting to hit the fan. There's war. It's scary, fucked up times, man. But there's no money like short money. And you are the minority. We are the minority. Our community, we are surrounded by folks who are ahead of the game against the masses, so we can't trip ourselves out. Everyone else, everyone that buys stock, they're all long, dude. When you're short, you are part of the minority, and your money is 10x because of it. 100x. But you got to take your money because that shit happens fast. Fast. X on ETH. All right, I think that's it. No, again, we're talking to TradingView tomorrow. We'll see what they say. No, as of right now, we're not taking we're not signing up any new members to Market Cypher. I will update you guys as soon as I know. But yeah, we'll see you tomorrow. I might stream a little bit later. I'm on my laptop right now in bed, so I really don't want to stream here. But I just want to go over kind of what we'll be looking for an actual bottom. I'm not buying the dip, buying the dip, and buying the dip. Yeah, buying dips all the way down to 6,000. No thanks. 6,000, I'll start buying dips. So, all right, guys. I'll see you later, and maybe I'll see you later. All right, peace.